Hello guys, Rob here. The EOS Value Proxy just made its first weekly payout, so we have some more data to go off of in terms of what kind of rewards this proxy is paying. If you have not heard of Value Proxy, it is a new proxy from Aloha EOS, Blockstart, and EOS Sphere. And on top of this proxy paying rewards, there are also block producer standards that are required to be included in this proxy. Block producers must have a functioning public API and P2P endpoints and benchmarks of 2 milliseconds or less, on top of providing more value in other ways. It's real simple to start earning rewards from this proxy. All you have to do is proxy your vote to vote for value. Here on blocks.io, you just come to the vote section. In there, go over to proxies. And from the proxy list, select vote for value, value proxy, vote for value. Just click that, select it, and then proxy your vote to vote for value. And you are done. No further action is required. So here on this page, I've compiled all the information I could find on the value proxy. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. But basically, Value Proxy pays out daily, weekly, and monthly EOS rewards. And for the daily rewards, you must stay proxied the entire daily period to be eligible for those rewards. For weekly rewards, accounts must stay in the proxy for the entire weekly period. And for monthly rewards, the account must stay in the proxy the entire monthly period. So if you leave the proxy at any time, or if anyone leaves the proxy at any time, those weekly, monthly rewards are then distributed to those that have stayed in the proxy. A new change that was just implemented is the rewards are now being sent to your account staked in CPU. I like this for a number of reasons. They list them out here. It enables the compounding effect because voting is based off of staked EOS or EOS in REX. So liquid EOS does not count towards your voting weight, thus does not count towards your rewards. Adds to your CPU resources, secures your liquid funds. This one I really like, keeps your voting weight at 100%. So every time you update your stake, which is happening every time you receive rewards, daily, weekly, and monthly, that is refreshing your vote weight and keeping it at 100%. And of course, you can unstake these at any time or move them to REX. So I did a little digging here, and these are rough numbers, just rough estimates, but there are 3 reward accounts for the value proxy. vProxy reward 1, vProxy reward 2, vProxy reward 3. These are the daily rewards, these are the weekly rewards, these are the monthly rewards. And if we look at the vote for value proxy, you can see every day a certain chunk is sent to 1, a certain chunk sent to 2, and a certain chunk sent to 3. 2 and 3 are the exact same numbers. Based on what we're seeing right now, just a rough estimate. Now, these are not official numbers from the proxy, just a rough estimate based on what has been happening this first week. About 87% are sent to the daily reward pool, 6.5% to the weekly, 6.5% to the monthly. So based on every 100 EOS in rewards, 87 are distributed daily, 6.5 are sent to the weekly reward pool, 6.5 sent to the monthly reward pool. Again, these are not official numbers from the proxy, just a rough estimate based on what is going on the vote for value account. The first weekly payout did just occur, so I want to take a look at that to see what kind of rewards people are getting. So let's click into the weekly reward account here and scroll down and see if we can check this first account here. So on blocks, when you look at your account, it's not going to show up until you click on RAM CPU net. Since these rewards are now being sent as staked CPU, you need to click on RAM CPU net in order to see them. And here we can see the daily payout and the weekly payout. 0.933 is what this account earned on the last daily payout, and 1.7 is what it earned on the first weekly payout. So essentially you're getting an extra 2 days worth of daily payouts from the weekly payout based on what we're seeing here with the first weekly payout. So these are just rough numbers right now because the more EOS that are staked to the proxy, the more BPs that join the proxy, numbers are going to change. But as of right now, these are the numbers this proxy is seeing. And again, I'll leave a link to this page in the description below. This is all the information I could find through Telegram and talking with the team about the rewards from this proxy. So just to funnel it down to what a user needs to know, all you need to do to receive rewards from this proxy is simply proxy your vote to vote for value. So to the proxy section on blocks or whatever wallet you're using, select value proxy, the account name, vote for value, and you are done. You will start receiving your rewards. The important thing being that in order to be eligible for daily, weekly, monthly rewards, you have to keep your account proxied to the proxy the entire time. And the rewards you receive will come into your account staked in CPU. This is nice because it auto refreshes your vote and keeps your vote at 100%, thus keeping rewards at 100% of what you should be earning based on the amount of EOS you have. Speaking of rewards, are you taking advantage of the Telos REX rewards? Telos REX is currently paying out a 30-day just under 2% and a 1-year interest of just under 24%. Thanks to the Telos Economic Development Plan, applying an extra 1 million TLOS per month to REX stakers. If you want to learn more about Telos, how to stake your Telos to REX, or pick up your free Telos account, check out the link in the description. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. But that's going to do it for me, guys. I will see you in the next one.